What if you could own a classic Mustang, Thunderbird, or even a rare British Roadster for less than $10,000? Today, we've found 15 incredible classic cars that prove affordable dream cars still exist. Let's check them out. Welcome back. If you're always searching for affordable classic cars for sale, this is a lineup you won't want to miss. From iconic Fords and vintage pickups to rare British sports cars and unique American classics, today's list is packed with budget-friendly finds from across California and beyond. Let's dive in and see which classic gives you the most bang for your buck. Car number 1, 1966 Austin-Healey Sprite 1275. Let's kick things off with this beautifully restored 1966 Austin-Healey Sprite 1275 listed in Sunland, California for $7,500. According to the seller, over $25,000 has been invested in this British Roadster. The engine was professionally rebuilt, the seats have been redone, all the rubber components have been replaced, and the car is said to be completely rust-free. It also features new tires, a metal dashboard, and tasteful upgrades while staying true to its original character. If you're looking for a lightweight British sports car that's already received years of careful restoration, this Sprite could be an incredible bargain. Car number 2, 1956 Dodge. Next is this 1956 Dodge, located in Covina, California, with an asking price of $7,500. The seller says the car runs well and already comes with new tires, a new water pump, and all of the original chrome trim. The interior is included, and the only major item still needed is a new headliner. For someone looking for a straightforward 1950s project with most of the hard-to-find pieces already there, this Dodge offers a solid starting point. Car number 3. (1964) Ford Thunderbird Coupe, listed in Calabasas, California for $9,000. Powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission, this Thunderbird has just over 87,000 miles and runs and drives well. The recently upholstered turquoise interior looks exceptionally clean, and even the factory-style radio is still working. The body has a few paint flaws, some minor rust, and a small coolant leak near the radiator, but overall, it appears to be an honest cruiser with plenty of potential. Car number 4. (1967) GMC C2500 Long Bed, located in Arcadia, California, with an asking price of $7,750. This two-owner California truck is powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller says it runs very well, has excellent interior condition, good tires, plenty of service records, and only a few small rust spots near the roof. If you're searching for a classic pickup that's ready to drive without needing a full restoration, this GMC looks like a strong value. Car number 5, 1964 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Huntington Beach, California for $9,000. Powered by Ford's dependable 200 cubic inch inline-six and Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, this Mustang has received numerous upgrades, including a new carburetor, electronic ignition,
aluminum radiator with an electric fan, fresh tires, and several new seals and suspension components. The seller says it runs great and is fun to drive. While the body could use some paint and minor cosmetic work, this is an affordable first-generation Mustang that's ready to enjoy while you improve it over time. Car number 6, 1968 Chevrolet El Camino. Our next classic is this 1968 Chevrolet El Camino, listed in Lancaster, California for $7,500. Powered by a small-block Chevy V8, this El Camino features dual exhaust, headers, an Edelbrock carburetor, a split bench seat, and even the original 1968 tonneau cover. The seller says it runs and drives well, and was originally a family restoration project. It could use a few personal touches, but with plenty of upgrades already completed, this looks like an affordable classic that's ready to enjoy. Car number 7, 1960 AMC Rambler American Custom Wagon. Here's one of the most unique vehicles in today's lineup, a 1960 AMC Rambler American Custom Wagon, located in Los Angeles, California, for $7,000. Although it doesn't currently run and will need to be trailered, this professionally built custom features beautiful paint, an immaculate interior, extensive fabrication, and detailed build documentation. Under the hood is an AMC 196 Flathead 6 with dual carburetors, custom headers, and a 3-speed transmission with overdrive. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind custom project, this Rambler definitely stands out from the crowd. Car number 8, 1955 Buick Century. Next is this 1955 Buick Century, listed in Placerville, California, with an asking price of $10,000. This 3-owner cruiser still runs and drives with its original 322 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It also benefits from front disc brakes, a modern dual reservoir master cylinder, a new headliner, and a hidden Bluetooth stereo that keeps the classic look intact. It's not a perfect show car, but it's an honest driver with tasteful upgrades that's ready for weekend cruising. Car number 9, 1958 Ford Custom 300. Our 9th vehicle is this 1958 Ford Custom 300, located in La Cañada, Flint Ridge, California, priced at $7,800. Powered by a V8 and equipped with the classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, this Ford is already running, registered, and insured. That means you can drive it home and enjoy it right away. With its late 50s styling and affordable price, this Custom 300 is a fun classic for anyone who appreciates vintage American cars. Car number 10, 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. We'll finish part 2 with another 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe listed in Burbank, California for $9,999. This one-owner California car has a clean title and a completely rust-free body. While it's currently a rolling shell with no engine or transmission, it already includes power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, and beautifully restored pony sport seats. If you've been searching for a solid first-generation Mustang to build exactly the way you want, this rust-free project could be the perfect place to start.
Car number 11, 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Let's start our final group with this 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, listed in Acton, California for $6,000. This classic V8 Thunderbird has 63,000 miles, and according to the seller, it runs, drives, and stops well. The interior is in good condition, the power windows and lights work, but it's still a project with a few missing trim pieces and a paint job that's best appreciated from a distance. For $6,000, it's an affordable way to own one of Ford's iconic personal luxury cars. Car number 12. 1959 Ford F100. Next up is this 1959 Ford F100, located in Baldwin Park, California, with an asking price of $8,000. Finished in a two-tone gray primer look, this classic pickup features custom gauges, custom wheels, and a black interior with plenty of vintage character. The seats show some wear, but that's part of its honest project truck personality. If you're into old-school pickups with lots of potential, this F100 could be a fun truck to personalize. Car number 13, 1967 Volkswagen Beetle. Here's an all-time favorite, the 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, listed in Whittier, California, for $6,800. The seller says the 1500cc engine runs well, and the car has already received a new wiring harness, new ball joints, and new front shocks. It still needs some attention around the battery tray and a small area behind the seats, but overall, it's described as being in good shape. With a little TLC, this Beetle could make an excellent everyday classic. Car number 14, 1964 Ford Falcon Ranchero. Our next classic is this 1964 Ford Falcon Ranchero located in Mesa, Arizona, with an asking price of $8,900. Powered by a 260 V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission, the seller describes it as a good cruiser that's ready to drive and enjoy. While it's not fully restored, it's solid enough to use now and improve over time. If you like the practicality of a pickup with the style of a classic Ford, the Ranchero is always a great choice. Car number 15, 1964 American Rambler Convertible. We'll wrap up today's lineup with this 1964 American Rambler Convertible, listed in Murrieta, California, for just $5,850. Powered by a dependable 195 cubic inch inline-six, this convertible has only 69,000 miles and comes equipped with power steering, a working power top, an upgraded radiator, and electric cooling fans. The seller is upfront that it still needs restoration, including a new convertible top, paint, and a few mechanical repairs. But at well under $6,000, this rare Rambler offers plenty of potential for someone looking for an affordable vintage convertible. And that wraps up another collection of affordable classic cars for sale. Which one would you take home? Let us know in the comments below. That's our list of 15 affordable classic cars for sale. Now we want to hear from you. Which one would you take home? The Austin-Healey Sprite? The Mustang? The El Camino? Or maybe the Buick Century? Leave your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic car finds every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.